Hello there.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Now, the reason that we use the $25 business to promote is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income, $25 per month, guys, which is absolutely insanity. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna look and see if we got a sale here. Looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page to make sure you guys understand that these are real numbers. All right, guys. All right, guys. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Which is absolutely fantastic. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna make sure you guys can get links. That's the first things first. You need your links here. Now this is the link that I use in particular for this method. All right, in case you were interested, you can use any link you want, but this is the one I use. Anyway, first click on my link in the description. You should say step 1 incomespeech.com, something like that. You click on it, it's gonna go to a page like this. Now this is basically the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, how much money you can make, blah blah blah. It's essentially a funnel builder. Now what a funnel builder is basically a bunch of websites to get you to buy something. The most popular funnel building website is ClickFunnels, and it's $100 per month. This is $25 per month. You save a ton of money coming to this. All right, guys, for people that are interested in building funnels in particular. Now this is the money you can make with this, promoting this product is $20 to $100 monthly commissions. All right, guys, so that's $120 for each particular customer. All right, which is insane. $120 per month each particular customer. That's like thousands of dollars a year off of one person. So anyway, guys, they also give to charity if you're interested in that. So yeah, it's a bunch. It'll just tell you everything you need to know on this page here. If you're interested, just click on yes, I want in. I want to try this out, right? So you're looking at putting in basic information about the product and so on and so forth. Now, one thing I want to show you is that when you click on my link in particular, you get 14 free days with HBA Premium. And what HBA Premium is essentially traffic. It teaches you how to get sales, all right, on whatever method you want to use it on: Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, blogs, anything like that, solo ads, whatever it may be, right? Shows you how to get sales in that, and teachings and showing you how to exactly do things, right? So yeah, there's videos and stuff explaining absolutely everything. Now the coolest part about this though, oh, they also has an AI content creation machine to help you make posts and stuff and all that. But the coolest thing about this is that if you get a sale with this particular product, you keep that $100 because it's 80% commissions. You keep that $100 even though you haven't technically paid for the product yet, which is absolutely insane. All right, guys, fantastic. So anyway, guys, once you do that, blah blah blah, you done did all the stuff you need to log in, all that. It's videos explaining how to do absolutely everything, guys. All right, I'm gonna show you now absolute easiest way to promote this product. By far, it ain't even close. Once you get done and once you set it up, it takes about 5 to 10 seconds a day. All right, y'all ready? All right, so first you go to My Lead Gen Secrets. We're gonna set it up. We need My Lead Gen Secrets. Now click on the link in the description. Now step 2, it'll take you to this. All right, so we're gonna click on members login. We're gonna log in. Now what My Lead Gen Secrets is essentially, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. All right, they interested in making money, but they cold leads. All right, so that's what we're gonna do here. And once you log in, go to the mailing system, get all your leads. So you're only gonna have 100, but don't worry about that. I've gotten sales with only 100 leads before, so don't worry about that. I'm just gonna copy my photo here. You don't need a photo, but I'm just copying it. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna use a new that ChatGPT has written for me. It's a little different. I think it might do better. right here. It might do better. I don't know. ChatGPT has written this one as well, guys. But it's looks a little different, but that's fine. I'm just put my photo in here. Different. Sometimes I just change things up a little bit, make it look different, stuff like that, just to test and see if it works or anything. Honestly, I haven't really noticed much, but we're gonna just use this. I'm gonna just pick my photo in here, make sure size. I like that. Now what you want to do once you got your email in there, right? Want to hit perfect timing. What they're gonna do is send an email around the time that people check emails. All right. So for example, if you check around 8 o'clock, they'll be there around 8 o'clock. So it'll show up at the top of your list. You know what I mean? Just in case you got a ton of emails, there's a better chance of them checking it out. So, and also you want to hit preview. Now this is gonna show the whole email. The whole email. If you're interested in copying the email. Fantastic email. All right. So yeah, you can try that out. Boom. Send the email. And we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Just pause the video to copy that preview, by the way. Just pause the video to copy the whole email there. That's it right there, the whole email. If you're interested in copying the email, whole thing right there. You can take a lot of this out actually. In fact, I'd say blah blah blah. Yeah, you can take some of this out if you want to. Yeah, it don't matter. This ChatGPT wrote me. I think shorter emails work better than longer ones. Also, guys, I want to go ahead and get this through your head before I get out of here. Make sure to consistently do stuff online to make money online. It's always about consistency. You gotta do it over and over again. Can't stop, because eventually something's gonna work. So what I say the best way to do it right now is to create shorts for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Just create a bunch of shorts and make sure to post at least every day. And I personally say 3 shorts a day. 3 shorts a day on each site. All right. Eventually something gonna go viral and you don't never have to worry about money again. All right. That's all there is to it, guys. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.